Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James. Welcome back to another vlog. So, I'm just home from Sligo now, and I got a package from River Island, and I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. Because it's it looks really dark outside, but it's only like 7:30 in the evening. I've been up since 5, just so you know. But I'm just gonna unbox it now for you. So, I'm just gonna think where's the best place to leave down my camera. Okay guys, are you okay there? Okay, so let me just grab my... And guys, once again, the whole background, just ignore it because there's still renovations going on here. So anyway, I went to River Island. Well, I did go, I ordered online because I'm in Achill and it's way too far away from shops. But I only got 2 things, so like it's not like a crazy thing. So the first thing I got, oh, okay. Oh, that looks really dope on camera. Oh, I love this. Okay, so, oh, so soft. So, I went to River Island and I seen this jacket. It was on the sale. It was reduced from €200 down to 95. So, I'm just gonna say that's pretty much of a steal right there. So it's like camel print and it's grey and it has like, it's like reflective. Like it looks blue on camera, but it's grey and that's really cool. So yeah, it's from the brand Blood Brother. Never heard of it before, but let's try this on. Oh. You guys, this is so sick. Like, this is so freaking cool. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow or Saturday to town. We go shopping. So I got this, right? And then I also got a pair of jeans because I really wanted like a different pair of jeans, like a little bit more like intense, whatever. So I got this pair, and I'm really scared that these might not fit, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, they're like different than I thought they were gonna be. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to try these on and see, but these were on sale as well. They're $60 or pounds here, and they're size medium. And I'm just scared like the waist will be like way too big. The length will probably be okay. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, the length is like fine. I'm just scared that the kind of waist is too big. I suppose like I'll just put like a belt on it, but I really like the stitching on it. Like it's, if you guys can see that. Oh, it's not gonna show, but it has like stitching on it, and it has like orange, it's like orange stitching, and it's navy, like a dark blue denim, and it's really freaking cute. Oh, I remember what it was. On the site they had the bottoms rolled up. That looked really cool with them rolled up, so I'll probably do that as well. I'll wear like these, and then like a white t-shirt or something. But yeah guys, really freaking dope. I thought this would be like really like heavy, but it's like really light and it's really nice, and it's so soft and has like all these little details on it. Not this is the tag, but I love. Okay guys, so I'll check in with you again later. Hey guys, and oh my god, it's been a couple of days since I've like checked in on this, but we just went to town. We done like a food shop, and I got this thing. It's called a rainbow curry bowl. It's by this brand. I got it in Tesco, and holy shit man, it looks amazing. So I'm just gonna sit you down somewhere here, and okay, this angle is awful, but so I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like inside. So it has these, okay, basically what it is cure. It is curried chickpeas and lentils topped with fiery Bombay style sweet potato, onion bhajis, and tango mango with a cool minty dressing. Sounds delicious if you ask me. But yeah, so they're basically doing like a line with Tesco now, and wow. And also guys, when we were in town, we went to this place in Caspar. It's called the Olive Tree, and I got like, they had a vegan menu, and I got these vegan things obviously, but they were so good. I got like God, the line here is so bad. I got like a soup. It was like sweet potato and coconut milk. It was so bomb, and like it doesn't sound that nice, but like it was amazing. So I got that, and then I also got these other fried things on the side, and now I'm gonna treat myself to this, and then I'm gonna go finish recording the video, and then I'm gonna edit it because I have to put it up tomorrow. So, and it's currently 8 o'clock, so, and then tomorrow they're coming to finish doing the oven, and they're coming early, so I have to be up early as well for that. So banter. But anyway guys, yeah, so I basically real busy with this kitchen at the minute, so I'm gonna like release them videos soon in the next couple of weeks, so look forward to them. And I'm sorry that I haven't really been vlogging that much. I mean, I don't know if you like the vlogs or not, but I'm still gonna do them anyway because I enjoy doing them. So yeah. Anyway guys, I will talk to you in a bit. Okay, so I'm just editing the vlog now, and it's already at 7 minutes, so I think I'm just gonna like close it off because I don't want it to be super long. I have another section where like I done a food haul, but like that was like 20 minutes, and I don't think you want to go watching a half-an-hour long vlog. So that'll be up next week, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. And anyway, I will let you guys go. Me and my friend up here are gonna say goodbye now. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.